Looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can call my own. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do. You can be my teacher, I'll do home. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do. Now it's me and you.
Okay, you guys, I kind of wanted to style this in real time with you guys. I wanted to show you, first of all, how quick and easy it was to put on. You don't need any type of styling tools. You don't need any hair products if you don't want to. I didn't put any water in this hair. I did not put any oil in this hair. I did not put mousse in this hair. And look how juicy and shiny these waves are. This is quite literally straight out the bag. I just want to show you guys that you can do a flip over with this. You can also just kind of part it down the middle and have it hanging like this. This wig is super versatile. You can also wear it clipped up if you want to. Like if you want to go to the gym, you can just clip the hair up, pull it back in a ponytail. And I just wanted to show you all of this in real time so you guys can see that this hair is the quickest wig that you will wear. All of my wigs that I do reviews on, very quick wigs. This one is the absolute fastest. This, look, just pinned up, clipped in the back. A super easy hairstyle. This is perfect for running errands, if your hair is in your way at work, if you just have to do stuff around the house, you're running around with your kids, pin your hair up really quickly. And also I'm gonna do a half up, half down so you guys can see as well that it is just a very, very versatile headband wig. Grab half of the hair that you wanna pull up, grab you a hair tie or a hair clip, pull the top section into a high ponytail. And you guys, look how quick and, look at that. Look how quick and easy and cute and fun that is. Half up, half down. This is the length of the hair. It comes to the middle of my back. This is a 24-inch UNice unit. This is really, really cute. But you guys, what the ultimate game changer is on this unit, this is a headband unit. Let me go ahead and take the ponytail down just to show you guys the other versatility of this wig. This is a 2-in-1 headband wig. So that is out. Just gonna fluff the hair back. You see how the curls just bounce right back into the same juicy form. Y'all, I'm gonna take this wig off and show you guys that unlike other headband wigs that I have tried on, this one is the easy to clean, versatile headband wig. So what you do is, it has a zipper on the inside. You can take this headband off and put a replacement one on and wash this one. None of my other headband wigs that I wear do that. This is a game changer. This is the first of its kind. All I'm doing is unzipping this. Buttons for security. You unsnap the buttons and you continue to unzip the headband. Take the button off here. And once this is off, like I said, you can wash the detachable headband. It also turns into a half wig. It turns into a half wig. It has the grip here around the edge. So all you have to do is pop it on your hair. And if you have leave out, I wish I could show you guys. I don't have leave out because my hair is completely braided right now. But if you have leave out, You can just use a little bit of your leave out, blend it in with the rest of the hair, and you will have a half wig. This is why it is called UNice's 2-in-1 wig. You don't have to worry about laying lace down. You don't have to worry about getting hot and sweating and lace starts peeling up. You don't have to worry about it with this wig. So this is the second replacement headband. You see it has the zipper and the snaps. So you just go ahead and easily attach it on. And as you can see, you just easily pull the zipper, zip it completely on, snap the buttons, and you have a brand new, freshly washed, different color headband on your 2-in-1 wig. So let me go ahead and pop this right on. Strap the headband in the back. There's Velcro. Pull it to the tightness that you like. Make your adjustments. And you have your headband wig. This is like a light gray color. I wouldn't consider this white. It's like a light gray color. And now you have your headband wig. You can style it how you want. Do the flip over how I showed you guys. Like this, you can clip it up, do your half up, half down. And if these two colors aren't enough, if you want to style it even more with different colors, you can put your own headbands on. So I'm just going into my headband case. I'm going to pick a headband out. We're just going to put this pink one on. And just like that, I can put my own headband on with this wig. Y'all, oh my gosh. This is so cute, easy, and versatile. You can change hairstyles in seconds. It's very cool and breathable, anti-slip. It's really light. It's moisture wicking, and it's also created for all head shapes and sizes. Y'all, this is the perfect, easy, everyday wig. You don't have to worry about lace. We love our lace wigs, but with this one, you don't have to worry about lace. And ladies, if you like your leave out, it can turn into a half wig as well. This is it. This is the game changer that we have been waiting for in the wig world. You guys need a 2-in-1 headband wig. Like I said, it's super easy, versatile, and beautiful. Look at this. Look at this wig. Look like you put some effort into your outfit when it only took you 2 minutes to get ready, okay? So once again, check out UNice Hair. All of the links for everything will be down below. I will have a special coupon code to save you ladies some money, okay? With this upgraded headband wig, you guys need this, okay? You ladies need this!